My name's Daniel. I'm between jobs at the minute. I'm actually starting with a company on the 13th of October selling life insurance.
And what have you been doing here this week?
Just learning about basics like property investment, and my main reason for being here and for joining the academy is the actual opportunity of networking with people who are successful in this industry.
Great, and what's the networking been like? How's it?
What was that, sorry?
What's the networking been like?
Oh, brilliant. I've met so many people who range from all walks like myself. I just joined a week ago, to people who have been doing it for 4 years. You're rubbing shoulders with millionaires and you won't even know. People who are massively successful, and you can get all the inside advice.
Great, and what's the trading been like?
Oh, brilliant. To be honest with you, you've got all the access, all the resource on the app, when you purchase the product from them. But getting it taught live is a totally different experience. It's worth its weight in gold, really is.
And would you recommend this kind of environment to someone who's looking to get into property?
Yeah, I am honestly looking at financing my family members coming and maybe not close friends, but it's a bit of a stretch. But I've definitely got a sister who I think would be brilliant at this in this environment. And when we get the property ball rolling, I think I'm going to pay for her academy membership.